So next is about glutaraldehyde. Glutaraldehyde is an important dialdehyde which is used as a sterilant and disinfectant. Okay, which means it can be used in the case of it is also known as a chemical sterilant which is active against both the bacteria and their spores. Okay, then in particular its activity is at low temperature, so it is also known as useful for low temperature disinfection of endoscopes and various surgical instruments. The glutaraldehyde has a broad spectrum of activity against bacteria and their spores, fungi and viruses, and their action is similar to formaldehyde. So it is specifically effective against tubercle bacilli, fungi and viruses. But it is less toxic and irritant to eyes and skin than formaldehyde. So activity is similar to formaldehyde, but also the toxicity and irritancy, these are less than formaldehyde. And it is best used to sterilize endoscopes, cystoscopes and bronchoscopes, which are inserted internally. So it can be safely used to treat corrugated rubber, anesthetic tubes and face masks, plastic endotracheal tubes, metal instruments and polythene tubing. And it is used in 2% concentration for 20 minutes. An exposure of at least 3 hours at alkaline pH is required for its action. So once it is activated, it remains active only for 14 days. Now, apart from the advantages, there are disadvantages also. They require alkaline pH, and those articles that are wettable can be sterilized. And then next is about orthophthalaldehyde, which is 0.55%. That is another form of formaldehyde. This can be used for the sterilization of endoscopes, cystoscopes, and has many advantages over glutaraldehyde. It does not require activation, and also it has low vapor property, then better odor, and it is more stable during storage, and they have increased microbicidal activity, mycobactericidal activity. So these are advantages of orthophthalaldehyde than over glutaraldehyde. Then advantages and disadvantages of aldehydes generally. The aldehydes used are highly toxic and a long contact time is required to kill the microorganisms. And also they do not damage rubber or plastic. And so disadvantage is that it is highly toxic and should have a long contact time. Advantage is that they do not damage rubber or plastic, and making them useful for sterilizing devices such as catheters. So these are the advantage. So that's all about aldehydes, and the next class we can discuss about halogens. Thank you all.